Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. So essentially today, we're gonna have to try to figure out. We're gonna have to basically be intelligent with the way that we're trading here, because today a lot of things can still happen overnight. Or sorry, intraday, because Apple and Amazon are going to be reporting earnings after hours. So it was pretty easy to just trade blindly bullish the entire week, basically. I rarely went short, but today and then tomorrow is going to be very interesting. So let's see. We're going to be trading the 0 DTE contracts on the SPY. Oh, well, the 1 day to expiration contracts on the SPY. If I'm saying I'm going long, I'm buying the at the money calls. If I'm saying I'm going short, I'm buying the at the money puts. But overall, I mean, the momentum is still bullish on a daily. The only way that this momentum stops is if we like really crack to the downside. The IWM is outperforming, so the IWM is going to be helping the SPY push up. So that's a good sign. Not sure why my webcam isn't working on TikTok, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go long SPY calls 350 stop. This is so risky. This is a really like risky trade. It's like, but we have to take it. Yeah, setups are really scary at the moment. But it is what it is. You have to take them when we get them. $380, $350 stop. We'll see. But let's see what happens. see contracts are jumping around a lot. That is not really what we want to see. Yeah, really disgusting price action so far for the first 5 minutes. You could already see that the market isn't as fluid as it was for the past few days. It's because GDP numbers just came out. Meta just reported terrible earnings. They're down 23%. Tech is down, but the IWM is helping the SPY up. Clearly range bound choppy environment right now, but we went long at support. We had to take it. Definitely not a time to go long at resistance. So oh well, this is unfortunate. Gonna close out if we get a close below 383.50. NASDAQ new low of day, pulling the SPY down. Still holding the calls. Very not fluid price action so far. Very choppy. But the thing is that they held 383.20 support, and we're basically just chopping within a range here. But the weakness out of the NASDAQ is not allowing the SPY to start flying, basically. If the NASDAQ can hold support and start popping, then the SPY is also going to start popping. All right, let's see if I'm gonna close out of these. We're gonna have to rebuy with a low of day stop loss. Let's see. but we sold this for a loss. But usually when this happens, they rip it right back up. So I'm gonna most likely have to re-enter. 382.50 is a major support. Let's see how the SPY responds at that level. But so far, the NASDAQ is just showing too much weakness. SPY is not lifting. I'm gonna go long 382.50 stop on the SPY. 382.50 stop. $382.50 stop. Oh. Yeah, so that's the unfortunate part. Like, they, you know, that's why we had to re-enter. But it would be stupid of us to hold our initial position because we closed below our stop loss point, but I knew that we would end up bouncing, so we had to re-enter. So just make sure this is a small win, make sure you guys are taking profits on this, and then just not allow this to go red. But usually this sort of setup just continues moving up higher. We need a big pop within this minute or two because the IWM is the only thing basically holding the market up at the moment. The SPY up at the moment. Tech is losing pretty bad. Yeah, make sure you guys are taking profit and just don't allow this to go red. That's it. And then from here, we're gonna look for another trade. But pragmatically, so far, they are holding it as support, but so far the market is bearish. Obviously, we broke a new low of day, so we need to see if the market can break back above 380, 340. Not sure if that's going to happen. These contracts are up like $20 each, but this move to the upside is going to be incumbent on whether or not the NASDAQ can find support and whether the IWM can continue flying to the upside. Both are not very likely, but this level of support is holding at 382.50. And yeah, let's see. They're painting, I mean, like setups like this, unfortunately, you have to go long regardless of whether they work or not. And the one time we lose a trade. Unfortunate, but yeah, I'm glad we re-entered on that fake out to the downside. So everyone should be up at least like 15% on this, so you could sell and basically make up for the loss of the first trade. And then yeah, but yeah, we need to see some closes above 380, 340. Unfortunate, man. I wanted to be perfect this week, but oh well. It's risky to go long here. The market is very range bound choppy. We need to see if it can break above 380, 340 and have two solid closes above that level. Then we can start having momentum to the upside. Because once again, on a daily chart, the IWM is very overextended to the upside. And the NASDAQ is just clearly very, very weak. So, yeah. SPY had two closes above VWAP. But it's showing too much resistance at the 10 SMA. So, yeah. Make sure you guys don't let this go red. These are still up $30 each. Let's see if this was just a fake move to the upside and they rip it up. Or fake move to the downside and they rip it up. But, yeah. Let's not overtrade or do anything drastic today. Yeah, the NASDAQ is just continuing to show... It's continuing to fail at VWAP. So if the NASDAQ can start trading above 277, for example, then the market is going to start like really starting to fly, because the SPY has only been propped up at the moment due to the IWM. So if the NASDAQ can get its act together, then that'd be great. But not sure if that's going to happen. All right. Let's see. NASDAQ's at major support. 275.80 is major support on the NASDAQ. But 381.80 is major support on the SPY. New low of day on the NASDAQ. Let's see. See if you can get another scalp to the upside. It's risky to try to go long here, but yeah, momentum is too bearish to go long right now. And because we've been in a range-bound, choppy market environment, we don't know how much more follow-through there's going to be to the downside for buying puts. That's the issue. So our best bet is to just wait and see if levels of support can be held before going long. And to see if buyers are going to step in to bonds. Sorry, to the NASDAQ. Generally, I would go long right now again, but I am greedy. I want 381.20-ish area. I feel like we can still get another leg down, but let's see. Overall, I'm not going to be trying to force anything. The painting. Ooh. I want like another 10 cents lower, and then we could go long with a 381 stop. I'm gonna long SPY calls 380.5 stop. SPY calls 380.5 stop. This is a very, very important level of support for the SPY. And we're right next to support. Basically, we can see if this holds. Generally, you know, the NASDAQ is also very, very important support, 273.6. The IWM is at support. So, the fact that we're not getting a bounce is not good. We should be getting like a pretty strong bounce within this minute here. If this doesn't bounce, this is basically just like deflated. But we waited for basically the perfect opportunity to go long. We waited for support. We caught the low of day, but let's see if they can break another low of day. But yeah, we had to go long. We were basically sitting at a very major support level. You can see on my chart, it's a daily support level as well. So shooter shoot moment here. The IWM just made a new low of day. Let's see if it can rip back up. Buyers are not stepping in. Hmm. SPY is sitting on like the brink of destruction. If we don't get some sort of a bounce here, we're gonna fall down to like 380, and then most likely bounce from there. But this is clearly showing that there's no buyers willing to step in. But you have to take these setups when they're given. The NASDAQ is showing some strength now. The IWM held the support. They're making it difficult for people to be bullish, that's for sure. I'm gonna lower my position size here, but then I'm still holding the rest for a 380.5 stop. Because there's just no strong follow-through buyers to the upside. And technically right now, since the market is so weak, it would make sense to go short here. But I don't want to go short at the moment. I would rather just lower my position size. But it looks like, I mean, we held 380.5 pretty well. We should continue going higher. But now's not the time to go long. That's the issue. There's no... They're not rewarding bulls at the moment for the day. They're not rewarding people to be bullish. There were multiple instances today where we tried to go long. The contracts, for example, at 9:41, we had a green trade, whatever, but they're making it difficult to be bullish. Just be careful about trying to go long right now. It's a pretty good shorting opportunity, to be honest. Most important thing is mitigating our losses. We had a huge week already. But today and tomorrow, most likely the market is going to be acting like this and choppy and not as fluid. Especially after hours, we have Apple and Amazon earnings. So it's going to be fun. This could be a bull trap. If we don't get, if we don't break above 381.30, then this could be like a beautiful little bull trap that they made. This is looking like a really good shorting opportunity. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. Everything is at the 10 SMA, so make sure you guys unfortunately, like, this doesn't look like it's going to basically we need 2 closes above the 10 SMA. I don't like the lack of buying pressure that we have right now, because all of these different buying opportunities should have flew, and they should have made for like a very, very quick move, but this grinding to the upside is not bullish. But nonetheless, the contracts are up 10% at least for everybody. We hit 381.88. It's a very major level of support, or major level of resistance. So make sure you guys take profits and just don't let this go red. That was a good trade. I mean, it worked, but they're not making it easy to be blindingly bullish. Oh, okay. All right, hold on. Hold on. Alrighty. Okay, all right. The contract's up 20%. Okay. Oh. See, that's why with trading you have to take the opportunities given to you, regardless of how stupid they look, regardless of anything of that sort. You have to take them. Damn. Why did I lower my position size? Oh well. Damn, that's crazy. Worked out. Okay, let's just look for another opportunity now. I'm selling. Stupid. All right, I'm selling the majority here. I'm gonna have a stop loss for 381.80. If we fall down below that, I'm just gonna sell. But regardless, this is up at least 25% for everybody. So we caught the bottom. Looked pretty nice. Obviously, we held this level of support literally to the descent. But again, I didn't like how. Oh well. These past 2 trades should have made up for the fake out loss that we had this morning, unfortunately. So yes, sir. Held all 25 contracts. Nice. My bad, guys. I haven't been able to look at the anything actually. Stream, nothing. So was difficult but held. Yep. Yeah, the upside pressure was weak for those like 10 minutes. It made me basically like the most important thing with trading is not losing money, right? Making money is the easy part, but not losing it is the game. So I wanted to lower my position size because I'm you know, sometimes I'm a little paper handed, but yeah, you know, it's better not to lose money than it is to make, because there's so many opportunities to make money. But it is what it is. This could have been a much bigger win for me. I hope you guys, I don't know if you guys held, but unfortunately lowered my position size at break even. Quick 1K up 25%. Sheesh, good stuff, man. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Then freaking we lost on a stupid trade this morning as well, unfortunately. But then we bought right back in. This is the S&P 500. We're trading the options on the S&P 500. Yeah, guys, my bad. This is the first time I'm going live like this on TikTok as well. So this is it's like I don't know how the settings and everything would look. I had my webcam on, but now for some reason it's not showing. So not sure what's happening. So yeah, that was another reason why the screen moved and everything like that as well. I thought it like updates alongside the screen, but it doesn't. What the hell? I am getting that wick that we just dropped down to 381.80. Usually it should set up to a big rip to the upside and a retest of 383. So this move to the upside should continue up. Oh dear. Oh, that's funny. Nice. 380, literally on the dot. 383.20. Oof. All right, these contracts up almost 40% for the. Damn. Ah. Oh well. Money is money. Money is money. That is so yeah, guys, look, like with trading, number one, you need to mitigate your losses. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Before I start giving a 383.90. Damn. No way. I'm gonna sell all of my calls now. I'm out of all of my calls. This can easily continue going higher, but I'm out of all of my calls. Damn. Oh well. Contracts up 130 each, at least. Wow. So, I mean, that trade had to have made up for the loss that we had. All right. Yo, guys, I obviously, like, I mean, the only reason why I'm gonna ask is because, like, I know for a fact, like, this contract shot up from $3 to $4.40. So you guys should have made up for the loss in the first trade, and then that second trade should have definitely freaking helped as well. So if you guys made money today, I need to see some ones in the chat. Everyone that's also new to the stream, you guys wanted to tune in, like, see if I was like capping and see if I was like whatever. This is literally, I'm day trading, I'm scalping right in front of you guys completely for free. No one else does this in the industry, so it's understandable why you guys would have oh goddamn. It's understandable why you guys have skepticism of what I'm doing here, because literally, like, I could be charging hundreds of dollars a month. People that charge don't do what I'm doing, so I understand your skepticism, but this is live right in front of you guys. It is what it is. Black snacker. Never make money with this guy. All right. You're gonna get blocked, brother. I'm sorry to hear that. He said never make money with this guy. We got it at the bottom. I told you guys 380.5 stop loss. Did we fall below 380.5? No, we're at a new high of day. But it is what it is. Straight blocked. Bye bye. No, I'm not. I'm not leaving yet. Ban. I don't get it. It could have dropped well below that. Yeah, but with trading, you have to take clear setups that are given. And I think I read like a comment, like Paul said something about not going red, right? So then, I mean, yeah. So I think, I don't know, to be honest. What I can do differently is like I don't know. I generally say exactly when I'm selling it. So once something is in profit, at least like $15, $20, then it's like you guys could do what you want with that. But yeah, I'm not sure. This is also new to me, so I'm trying to figure out what the easy, like I'm trying to communicate all these different things to you guys at the same time while making sure that you guys learn and all that good stuff. I'm not trying my best. It's risky to try to go long right now. Check. Damn, they're gonna. I would want a retest of 383.20 before going long, but they are like, this is a lot of strength, so I don't think they're gonna allow that to happen. That's crazy. $14 for 16 for the week. These stupid losses were just so stupid. Like, oh well. But I mean, whatever. Everything was a high quality trade setup. Note, like, that's why the two losses that we did have are irrelevant, because every single setup that we've entered was a very, very high quality trade. The reason why I didn't want to go short earlier in the day is because there was still a lot of daily momentum to the upside. So now we're going to have to make a decision. We're sitting at high of day on the SPY, 384.40. Let's see what happens. I guess when you say make sure to not let it red, people think, yeah, so for example, 1 second. I'm gonna respond to that. Give me 1 second. Damn, we just closed above high of day. Nah, damn, it's not safe to go long. Ay. As much as I would like to. All right, yeah. What was I saying? So I would enter at like $3, for example, right? So when I say don't let it go red, I mean like don't let it fall below $3 again. But then the mistake that I made was I didn't account that people entered at like maybe 305 or 306. So the contract never went red for me, but then I have to assume that. Yeah, that was my bad. But yeah, I generally just let you guys know when I sell and stuff, and yeah. Paul Nab, you're fine. I will adjust. You're doing excellent. Thanks, man. Thank you for your support. Also, guys, nobody should be trading with a everyone should have a cash account. Everybody should be trading with a cash account. So if you're trading on Robinhood or Webull, you're trying to scalp alongside us, having market orders is impossible. You can't make market orders. Let me see how many people are on live right now. Yeah, I don't even know how many people are watching. But everyone that's watching on TikTok, make sure you guys make sure you guys enter into the stream instead of just watching from the For You page. But anyway, what I was gonna say was, don't trade. So basically, Robinhood and Webull, it's very difficult to scalp and to day trade on them because there's no market orders. Okay, so you need to either transfer your money, honestly, to a better brokerage. So take a few days off from trading, let your money settle, transfer out into either TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers. Stop trading on Robinhood. And once you have a TD Ameritrade account, whatever it may be, make sure you sign up as a cash account. It'll literally change your life. Once you have a cash account, you could have a $2,000 account and you can make $10 to $100 day trades every single day. So as opposed to, oh my God, I don't have a 25K account, I'm only allowed to make 3 day trades every 5 days, blah, blah, blah. Hell no. Why would you be trading like that? Don't do that. The only reason, it's not your fault. They don't promote that sort of stuff because they don't really make money from you having a cash account. So yeah, please, definitely everyone make a cash account. You're welcome. Have an amazing life. You are welcome. That's going to change your entire trading habit. It's going to change everything. You're going to be on top of the world. Congratulations. Yeah, guys, I haven't really been looking at the chat. So if there was some if there were anyone that was just talking trash, please can you guys type their names in somewhere? Type them in Discord to me or something like that. But it doesn't seem like anyone was. Damn, what the hell? They are really propping the market up right now. Yeah, I generally just I watch the SPY, NASDAQ, IWM, and various other stocks in unison. So Facebook is down freaking 21%, bro. That is crazy. Amazon is showing some strength. Apple showing some strength. Yeah, this is kind of crazy. They just want the market to keep going up, but this is not a safe entry point. Yeah, this is not a safe entry point. I would rather try to buy as we fall back down to support. I want to get a buy around 380, 390. But I don't think they're going to give that to us, unfortunately, because that would just be too easy. And then it's not a safe buying entry point here. So they're going to try to force people to chase. Who knows? Let's see. Let's just be patient. We got some good trades. Cash account. Cash account. With a cash account, you can day trade without having a 25K account. You can just say, for example, you got 5K. You can make 5 $1,000 day trades every single day with a cash account. It's risky to go long here. I want a retest of like 386.60. That would be the most ideal situation for bulls. We're clearly in an uptrend. This is like an uptrend. We're sitting at support right here on this uptrend. I want it to fall a bit down here, break through these levels of support a bit, and then go long when people want to become short. And then boom, we can make a new high of day. That's what I'm trying to look for. If we just pop from here, there's not going to be enough room to the upside because 385 is major support. We're not going to be able to break above 385 off of this pop, in my opinion. If we do, then it's just not really let's see. But yeah. I primarily only trade the SPY, the QQQ, the IWM, Apple, and like the large tech stocks. But I only really just focus on the SPY, the NASDAQ, and the Russell as a way to prove to people that you don't need to trade a bunch of different stocks to be profitable. You know? I would be very surprised if they just rip it up here. That would be like, the market would just be levitating up at this point. That's crazy. This chart is tradingview.com. Yeah, you can see that we're having trouble at 385. But this is crazy strength, to be honest. Very, very surprising. Regardless of what I think can happen, going long here is, in my opinion, it's not a high quality trade setup. Because going long here, we're basically betting that the market can continue to have like abnormal strength to the upside. I don't want to bet on that. It could happen, but I would much rather wait for a break. I would much rather try to buy at levels of support. Especially since we already had a huge move from 380 all the way, we're at 385 now. So I'm not expecting us to jump up another 1 or 2 points above resistance here. You know, so if the range was tighter, right? If we had a tighter range where the low of the day was only like 383 and the prior high was whatever 384.20, and then we rip to the upside, then automatically we're getting calls as we break high of day. But we already had a 5-point move from the bottom. So it's not a safe. Oh no, I want to go short. Uh-oh. Damn. Nah, let's just stick to the thesis. So we should have went short when I wanted to go short. It's all good. Nah, I still would not want to go long right now. I want a little lower. Still want a little lower. But if we bounce from here, it's not safe. Yeah. Oh well. Bruh. Still risky to go long. I know that I was saying that I wanted 380, 360, but it's not worth it yet. Next time I say, uh-oh, I want to go short, I should just automatically just go short. All right, we're at 383.20. I'm gonna go long SPY calls 383.20 stop. 383.20 stop. This is freaking. We have to take it, unfortunately. They could still bring it down to 383. But shoot or shoot. All right, so now these contracts should be up like $20 each, right? Now, like, don't allow this to go red. So this was a quick 1 minute scalp. This can continue going on higher, but it's always important to solidify profits. We were patient. We waited for 380, 320. I was waiting. I was telling you guys that I didn't want to buy alongside this trend line. I wanted it to break below support and then go long. So that's what we waited for. Yes, now just don't let this go back red, basically. I've got a stop loss at break even. I'll be right back. I really want to go long. Light 382.5 stop loss. I'm getting SPY calls 382.5 stop. We have to take this damn trade. This looks like this could be a really, really easy fake out, but we have to take the trade, unfortunately. 382.5 stop, and then this is going to be my last trade. You don't need to take this. This is, it's painful for me to for me to enter, but this is another very high quality setup. That's why we entered. Very similar to what happened at low of day at around 380.5. But right now the SPY is, VWAP is acting as major resistance on the SPY. So we want a close above, we want a solid closes, 2 solid closes above 383. Monday through Wednesday, if we had entered here, boom, they would have been up like 20% already. Okay, it's 1 close, but now we're sitting at the 50 SMA. Just fly. Just start flying. Just make it easy for us. Bro, come on. I'm gonna take some. As soon as I want to take small gains, I'm telling you it's gonna start flying. But yeah, I'm gonna take some small gains on this. We have to solidify some profits. But if we get another close above VWAP, then this should be decent for a move to the upside. But again, trading is all about mitigating your risk. So just, that's why solidifying some profit is important. I would personally be going long again right now, but It's not safe. And yeah, I'm not going to. Yeah, it looks like things are just gonna chop around, and they're gonna paint a very, very bearish picture. And then the sitting at support here, the more bearish the picture they paint, the higher probability that we're going to rip very abruptly to the upside. But essentially, we need a, so basically for bears, for everyone that went short right now, basically at 382.20, you see that this wick to the upside, it's obviously not a bullish wick. We wicked above resistance, right? So people went short against this level here. But then you see what they did. They painted a very bearish picture, and they didn't allow any follow through to the downside. They ripped it right back up. So everyone that went short with this stop loss, they are underwater at the moment. So there's no fluidity at the moment. There's no like follow through to the upside or the downside. They're just trying to play around with people at the moment. And yeah, so just make sure you guys are solidifying profit. Everyone should be up at least like $15 on these. So that's the issue. We're trading within a range, 382.20 and this 383.20 and this 382.60 level. But yeah. That was very brutal. We had 3 red candles here, and then they ripped it all the way back up. So this should be a continuation to the upside, but it's not safe to go long here. That's the issue. I don't know if they're going to reward late bulls. Late bulls are basically trying to go long alongside strength. We were early bulls. We went long alongside weakness, and we got the bottom, and we're like comfortable now, right? But people are still hesitant to try to go long here at resistance. They need to see support being held, which it did, and resistance being closed above, which has not happened yet. All right, garbage. All right, take some profits. I wanted like some nice like 40% wins, man. They're not making it easy. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, this is what we want to see. Nice. Good, good, good. I'm just like upset that the moves are taking so long. That's it. Everyone should easily be up $30 contracts, so everyone should be up at least like 15%. Yeah, the market's moving very slow. I'm trying to think. So yeah, I mean, now just don't let this go red. This is sort of we can continue going up higher, but yeah, I'm trying to see if it makes sense to get into longer term puts. It makes sense why Pelosi closed her Google calls. All right, yeah. So overall, guys, don't overtrade today. Do not overtrade. The market is moving very slow here. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. Make sure you guys like the video on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. As you can see, everything is live right in front of you. I'm not lying to anyone about anything. You don't need to pay me anything. You don't need to do anything. You could. Everything is literally right here in front of you. So yeah. For everyone that's new here, I hope you guys enjoyed and you saw like, oh wow, this guy is not just randomly trying to cap or lie or anything like that. Yeah, awesome. All right, guys, I'm gonna just yeah, I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. Make sure you guys definitely follow on Twitch. Make sure you guys like, you know, do all that good stuff. And yeah. 1 second. Yeah, it's not worth it. I don't really like this price action at the moment. And it's not really, I mean, it is worth, we could get some longer term puts, but let me check. Let me check. Dollar is bouncing off that trendline support that I showed yesterday in yesterday's YouTube video. All right, just to get our feet wet. Damn, I'm looking at November 25th at the money SPY puts for 10.55, but Tuesday morning we have news at 10 a.m. Wednesday we've got FOMC. I want to grab some Google leaps. There's a lot of things I want to do. That's the unfortunate part. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna head out. If I have any like swing ideas, I'll type them in the Discord. But I want to grab like January 2024 Google calls, but then I also want to buy. I want to buy late November SPY puts. So yeah, let's see. Oh well. Overall, a good day. Hope you guys had I hope you guys had an amazing day. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All eyes are going to be on Apple and Amazon earnings today after hours. So now for the rest of the day, don't really try to overtrade. You could already see that the movement wasn't as fluid as it usually is. So just take that into consideration. And yeah, man, I love you guys. Have a good one.